brought to you SEO Made Easy Part 3, on Page Factors. On Page Factors, in Parts 1 and 2 of this article series I introduced the advantages that WordPress offers when engaging in SEO, and some free plugins that can help you get there, as well as the importance of doing effective keyword research before beginning any serious SEO campaign. With these two things covered, it's time to discuss your content strategy. The first and most important element to this is what is sometimes referred to as your on-page SEO strategy. Start at the top of the page. We're going to look first at the nuts and bolts of the written page content, starting from the top. Once you've identified the one keyword phrase that this page should focus on, there's the matter of placing that phrase appropriately throughout your page. Title tag. The first element is your page title. This information will appear between your title tags at the top of your HTML code, and it will also be the text that appears at the top of your browser window. Meta description. Next comes the page description. This will appear in your HTML code near the top, and it's called your meta description. Readers won't see this on the page, but it's the text that Google tends to use to describe your page in its search results. Heading tags. These are other important hints that a search engine will look for on your page to determine what it's about. The theory? If the author cares enough about the keyword phrase in question to use it in one or more of his or her page headings, then the page is likely relevant to the keyword being searched for. But just what are heading tags? They are like headlines in a newspaper, and you see them all the time on web pages everywhere. They are slightly bigger text, sometimes in a different font, and will mark the beginning of the web page or of a particular section of a page. You create them easily in WordPress, or by wrapping them in H tags. Bold, italic, underline, etc. Another way to tell search engines which elements of a page are important. You can use any of these styling methods, or more to emphasize your keyword phrase. Do this sparingly, but try to get some of this type of keyword placement into your page. Again, it's all about priority and relevancy. Tags. If you are using WordPress or another blogging software, you will likely be able to apply tags to your blog posts. This is another place to enter in your keyword phrase, along with some other related keyword phrases. Another advantage to tagging is that the blog will create tag pages with a stream of posts that are tagged with a specific keyword. These tag pages can also benefit your site's SEO, giving increased relevancy to your keyword niche. Keyword density. This heading is all in caps because it's important. You may be thinking after all of these keyword placement techniques that your page will contain only your keyword phrase. This is exactly what you don't want to do. This will be perceived as keyword stuffing by search engines, a practice that will get you turfed in no time. Instead, you want to place lots of quality relevant content around your keyword phrases and keep the occurrence of them relatively low. How low? Studies indicate that your keyword phrase should make up no more than 5% of your overall written content. This means that your page will need enough content to support the 5% rule and still use all of these techniques in your keyword phrase usage, so you had better get writing. But, isn't this all a bit unnatural? Now of course you might be thinking about the difficulty of using this kind of a clinical approach, especially when it comes to natural readability for your audience. This is something of an art form, but you'll get better with time, and no one will blame you for being strategic in your implementation if your content is good overall.